it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the pajama party TikTok trend. It's a really easy trend which is pretty new and is becoming really popular. But before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go with the first 4 moves. Basically, we're just going to sway 4 times. This move is pretty basic, but when you're actually learning it, it can be pretty hard. I'm just going to explain quickly how to do it. If you want me to do like a detailed tutorial, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know. And now I'm going to swing really quick. So basically, we're just going to do small waves. How would you do a normal wave? It looks like this, right? And basically, when we go down, we're also going to bend our knees and we're going to go down, right? And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. 1. The important thing here is when you do the wave, normally you tilt your head back. Here you don't know. You don't have to do it. Just without your head, okay? And we're going to do it 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Our hands are going to be down here. Now we're going to do this move. You have to remember this because we're going to do it quite a few times during the dance. So basically our hands are bent in front of us and we're going to do like a circle and then we're going to go back. And now there are 2 options. You can either do this wave or this wave. So you can choose. And now let's do it from the beginning. Let's go. Sway, 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 sway. 1 and wave. Again, I'm going to do this one, but if you prefer to do this one, it's totally okay. You can just, when I do this one, do that one. So after this, what we're going to do is, our hands are just going to go like this. We're going to move our fingers a lot, and we're going to do 4 really small waves. You don't have to do giant ones, just really small that you can't almost even notice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our left arm goes up, and then with our right arm, with our right hand, we're gonna grab our shirt or our leggings or whatever we have on. We're gonna grab it and we're gonna go wave up and then wave up again. And after that, we're gonna do the same move we did before. I told you to remember it. It's 1, and then when we stop here, we're gonna go back to the other side. Then stop when we get to the center, go to the other side, and then here we're going to stop and we're going to go 1, 2. Basically, we're just going to go back and then back again. 1, 2. Perfect. Now, let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on because we don't have almost anything left. Let's go. Sway, 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 sway. 1 and wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. So after we do this, the only thing we have left is to do the helicopter with our hands. By the way, I do have a detailed tutorial on my channel, so you can check it out after this video if you don't know how to do the helicopter. Right now, I'm not really going to explain it much so that you learn this dance faster. But if you don't know how to do it, then check that out. And then we're going to do the dice roll. So basically, we're just going to step back with our left leg and forward with our right leg. And then for our hands, our left arm is straight and then our right one goes 1, 2. And our hands are in fists. Now, we have to combine it all together and it's going to look like this. 1, which is basically all you need for almost every TikTok dance. So now we're going to do it from the beginning twice. First, we're going to go slow so that you remember everything, and then we're going to go fast. So, first, let's go slow. Let's go. Sway, 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 sway. 1 and wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Helicopter 1. That's it. And now we're going to go fast. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment